Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging mdcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is RH factor is named after A. Man, B. Monkey, C. Rat, and D. Chimpanzee. So the correct option is B. Monkey. The next MCQ is which of the following is genetically dominant in man? A. Color blindness. B. Hemophilia. C. Rh positive. And D. Albinism. So the correct option is C. Rh positive. The next MCQ is Rh factor may be responsible for A. Turner syndrome. B. Sickle cell anemia. C. AIDS. And D. Erythroblastosis fetalis. So the correct option is B. Sickle cell anemia. The next MCQ is a character determined by three alleles as A. Human skin color, B. Human eye color, C. Human blood color, blood group, and D. Human Rh factor. So the correct option is B. Human eye color. The next MCQ is relationship between alleles of ABO blood group system can be explained by A. Complete dominance and codominance, B. Over-dominance and incomplete dominance, C. Incomplete dominance and codominance, and D. Complete dominance only. So the correct option is A. Complete dominance and codominance. The next MCQ is ABO blood group system was discovered by A. Bernstein, C. Landsteiner, C. Carl Correns, and D. Johansson. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following will not result in variation among siblings? A. Independent assortment of genes, B. Linkage, C. Crossing over, and D. Mutation. So the correct option is D. Mutation. The next MCQ is if all four phenotypic combinations are parental and recombinant are produced in equal ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1, then there ought to be A. No linkage between genes, C. Partial linkage between genes, C. Complete linkage between genes, and D. Tight linkage between genes. So the correct option is A. No linkage between genes. The next MCQ is all of the following can form a linkage group on human chromosome 1 except A. Gout, B. Albinism, C. Sickle cell anemia, and D. Leukemia. So the correct option is A. Gout. The next MCQ is the recombination frequency is 20% between the genes, between the two genes. The distance between them and unit map is A20, B60, C30, and D80. So the correct option is A. 20. The next MCQ is genes A, B, C, and D are located on the same chromosome. The recombination frequencies are as follows. A. What is the most likely order of the genes on the chromosome? A. BCAD, C. CBAD, C. ACBD, and D. ABCD. So the correct option is B. CBAD. The next MCQ is number of pairs of autosomes in human is A 23, B 21, C 24, and D 22. So the correct option is D 22. The next MCQ is there are dash linkage group in human A 22, B 46, C 23, and D 80. So the correct option is C 23. The next MCQ is chance of a crossover between two loci is directly proportional to their A length, B width, C distance, and D thickness. So the correct option is C distance. The next MCQ is a person was married to his cousins and both are heterozygous for sickle cell anemia. Among their four kids, what will be proportion of affected homozygotes? A 50%, B 70%, C 25%, and D 100%. So the correct option is C 25%. The next MCQ is in which situation genes are not assorted independently during meiosis in a chromosome? A. When genes are not linked and their loci are far apart. B. When there are too many genes on a chromosome. C. When some genes are mutated on their chromosome. And D. When genes are linked and their loci are close to each other. So the correct option is D. Thanks for joining me. I hope these and mdcat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.